massive cracking, popping, and then just like I can't even tell you. It was our bigger Husqvarna chainsaw is down for the counts. And when I heard this cracking sound, at first I thought, I was like, oh God, there's a limb, something's fallen on the house right now. I've heard some trees fall before, but this thing came down loud and long. Good work, son.
People are communicating pretty well right now.
Hey, Bob, say that.
You're so funny. I'm just home by myself right now. Katie and Finn are out. I have to go pick up Sunny Buzz from school here in a little bit. It's on the back patio. I was gonna make a coffee. Heard the craziest crashing sound. I thought a tree was gonna fall on the house. I hear this cracking, long, I can't even describe it. It was just this really long, drawn out cracking, really loud. Chickens were all around the backyard. They started squawking and running for cover. I thought a tree was gonna come down on the house. I'm looking around for big trees falling down. Here just the cracking continues, and then this huge just sound of a tree falling down, big crashing, thunderous sound. I go back on the patio, I see this dust cloud coming up from the street. Came down to the road here, and this giant tree just fell across the road. And it fell from probably 20 feet up off of the stump. Cracked, I mean, that's at least 20 feet up, maybe even taller. And then there's 40, 50 feet of it here in the road. I can't get out. I have to go get Sunny Buzz from school. So I'm gonna try and cut this up and clear a path. Unfortunately, our big Husqvarna chainsaw is down for the count right now. Bucking some logs, chopping up some old oak trees, and I kind of twisted up the chain. The Husqvarna we've used a lot the last couple years, so we got to tune it up. I'm gonna try and cut this stuff up with our smaller electric organ saw. Let's see how it goes. This thing just came down.
I'm gonna spin around, I'll go on.
Alright, it'll be clear in a little bit probably.
Yeah.
Assuming everything is. Yeah. Easy day. Holy cow. All right, I think I got this cleared out of the way. It's 100 degrees out today. So hot, so tired. Our bigger Husqvarna chainsaw is down for the count. Chopped this up with our smaller little electric organ saw running off of our generator. Did all right. now. Okay, here we go. I think I'm okay now, thank you. So you can see the top of the sump there.
She snapped.
It made the craziest cracking sound.
Yeah,
and all my chickens are in the backyard started freaking out. It just cracked. It was like for a minute.
Yeah.
And I thought something was falling on the house. Get my daughter from school. I was like, I don't got time to sit around for someone to come out. Well.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon.
It's a crazy day. Nothing like a little bit of excitement here on the Funny Guy Farm.